Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Miguel's View. Today, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin once again. Where you want to keep up with what is the latest news. We're going to go over some technical analysis and what you need to know. So stay tuned. Make sure to like and subscribe so you can stay tuned to all the latest news on Dogecoin. All right, guys, welcome back once again. Hope you're having a wonderful evening. Or let's see what is going on with Dogecoin today. Okay, we have Elon Musk tweets about Dogecoin and price immediately jumps up. Wow. A day after revealing that Tesla Inc. would stop accepting Bitcoin and payment for cars, Tesla chief executive suggested Thursday, I think that the possibility of accepting Dogecoin for car payments or to buy a Tesla car. And here we have Bitcoin, Dogecoin, NFTs, GameStop's investing has gone crazy. By Los Angeles Times, CNBC says Dogecoin millionaire refuses to sell and bought during the dip. Now his stash is over worth $2 million. Dogecoin, here's another great news, guys. Dogecoin is coming to crypto platform Coinbase. All right, Coinbase is huge, and they're gonna bring in Dogecoin, so you're able to trade Dogecoin now on Coinbase. That is some major good news there. What else? Dogecoin jumps 22% as Elon Musk hints at improving networks transaction efficiency. Okay, good. So nothing but good news on Dogecoin today, guys. So let's go ahead and get into the technicals of Dogecoin. And if you saw my video yesterday, you saw that I mentioned these levels of support. You can see the lines here. And I told you once we break this downtrend, okay, we're going to move to the upside. And where are we going to go next? We're going to go to, all right, 50 cents and then 60 cents. So that's where we're heading to. 60 cents is the next area of resistance. Okay, how do we know this? All right, because we had this downtrend, we had the RSI, and we also had MACD. Okay, so we came and hit this level of support. I told you yesterday, hey, if you're not in Dogecoin, where should you get in? All right, these are the levels you need to get in. Areas of support here, areas of support here. All right, you don't want to be chasing once it has the move up. Okay, you could, but it's a bit more risky. Okay, you want to be getting in at these areas of support. So look at this 4 hour. They look great, guys. Look at this. When we were in an uptrend on the 4 hour, it just went for multiple days. Okay, and then when we went on a downtrend, right, we went for multiple days too. But now that downtrend has been broken, and now, yes, look at where we're heading to. All right. Now we're heading to the upside. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the daily looks like. Okay, so the daily MACD is on the negative, all right, but finally, after how many days is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5th, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the 6th day, guys, we finally got a green candle. Okay, green candle today. So that is amazing. Let's see how this candle closes. And let's see if we can continue on up. Okay, MACD right here. I mean, our size curling all up. MACD is on the negative side, but if we can continue to curl on up, all right. That's why I like to see the 4 hour, because the 4 hour kind of gives us faster entry than on the daily. And yeah, guys, so we're heading right now to 60 cents. That is your next area of resistance. Okay, let's look at the 1 hour and see what the 1 hour looks like. Okay, clearly you can see the 1 hour breaking this downtrend right here, right? And as soon as it broke because of that tweet, okay, that's what the tweets do, guys. Anytime we're at some level of resistance, okay, a tweet comes out and we skyrocket. Okay, if a tweet would have came out here, guys, this thing would have gone already to 57 cents, and if any broken, and we would have been at 66 cents. But for some reason, the tweets don't come out there. For whatever reason is, maybe they're loading down here and then, they send it. Who knows? Okay, but the areas that you need to be getting in, all right, when the smart money is getting in, is also on this dip areas, okay? So Dogecoin, guys, is not going anywhere, all right? Nothing is guaranteed, okay? It can go back to zero. Who knows? But as far as all the news coming out, everything good, they're talking about it, how it's being used, everything is looking to the positive side. So, you know, any dips that you can get is good. In my opinion, because it's just gonna keep going up. All right, nothing is guaranteed, but the dips are what you want to get into. So our hourly chart looks great. MACD curling all up. We have room to that 60 cents. We also have the RSI moving up, and hopefully we can have the RSI, okay, and we can build some sort of support like this, okay, where it comes back and bounces off this trend, and we just keep moving upward, okay. So that's what I want to see on the RSI, on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour. Similar, we want to form a new uptrend, kind of like what we did here, guys. We formed this uptrend, and you can see this uptrend line here is a different color because let me switch my face to the other side. There you go. So you can see. All right, that's way better. So you can see this uptrend right here. It's a different color because I haven't taken it off, so you could see how well we followed it. And then when we're coming down, same thing, guys. RSI, okay, just coming down, holding that downtrend. All right, and finally we broke. All right, consolidated here for a little bit. We fell a little bit, but we fell right at support. Not only did we fall at support, but the RSI we fell. You could see in the previous, on the 4 hour, previous times, every time we fall to this area on the RSI, which is around the 30, all right, we tend to bounce up. We bounce there, and now we bounce here, and we broke trend line. So those are good. Those are good areas to spot on, because guess what's going to happen next time the RSI on the 4 hour comes to this area, we're going to bounce again. So if you see the RSI coming down to this 30 area, look at where your support's at, and most likely the probability is very high that it's going to support at that is going to bounce at that support. Okay, so good indications that we're going into an upward momentum now. So 60 cents is my next level that we're going to hit. All right, and then from 60 cents, what's going to happen? Okay, we need to break it. We need to break 60 cents, and we need to go to the 68 cents. Okay, let's stretch this out a little bit. Stretch this out. Okay, so we're gonna hit the 60 cents, and then we're gonna hit about 65 cents. All right, depending how far out we go before we break those, and then we're gonna have some resistance here. But remember, guys, anytime we get a tweet from Elon, all right, those levels break like butter. Okay, they break like butter, so it doesn't even matter. And that's the how powerful his tweets are. They move Doge, and people get excited. People get they just it's just like I'm going in, and when it's coming down, people are kind of scared, and it's selling off. Oh my gosh, what do I do? And they paper hand and they sell. But once Elon Musk, sends out a tweet, everybody's like back in the wagon and let's go. So that's how powerful his tweets are. So, we have this areas of support. I told you if this one broke, we would come in and bounce off of this one. And that's exactly what we did. That is why you need to subscribe to my videos, because I give you the exact levels where we're going to bounce, where we're going to hit next. All right. We take it a step at a time here, guys. All right. We're not going to $1 tomorrow. It could happen. All right. But most likely we're going to hit about the 60 area, and then we're going to probably come back down. All right. Consolidate a little bit, and then go to the next level. The only way we can break this trend, all right, if Elon Musk again sends out another tweet, okay, then we'll break through and probably hit this upper trend line, okay? We have to take steps, guys. It's not going to happen from one day to the next. We have to take it a step at a time, all right? We have to take it breaking levels a step at a time. But so far, Doge follows the trends very, very well, okay? So if you just draw your trend lines, guys, Doge follows them to the T. Okay, that's why it's important, guys. Subscribe to the channel. All right. I'm not new. I'm new to YouTube, but I'm a full-time trader. All right. So I've been doing this for a while, and when you understand the RSI, when you understand the MACD, okay, and you understand trend line, support and resistance, everything is it's not rocket science. It's easy, and I will teach you that if you just stick around, subscribe and like this video, so other people can also learn along with us and follow along with us on this Doge journey, as I'm doing Doge videos on a daily basis, letting you know what levels we're gonna hit, guys. When we're here, I was mentioning, guys, get on this trend line. If you're not in Doge yet, get in. All right, this is what you need to get in. Every time we come and touch this trend line, look at this. We followed it all the way from here to 24 cents. I was talking about our next level to break is this one, and then this one, and then this one. So finally, we came and hit this area right here, and it hit this upper trend line exactly to the dot where I had it. All right, I had called that we were going to hit 70 cents, and that's exactly where we hit. On this one, guys, we were expecting to hit this 81 cents. That's where we're expected to go, but it broke trend. All right, it broke the MACD, and you already know there's a lot of people that follow the MACD as well. And when MACD turns to the negative side, they sell, guys. All right, that's just the truth. They follow the MACD like nothing else. All right, so if the MACD is positive, they buy. If the MACD is negative, they sell. All right, so that's just the status trading, and we lose volume when that happens. But in this case, guys, we are in the positive side on the MACD, so everything is looking Gucci right now. So what's next? What's next? 60 cents. That's what's next. Now you make a plan. You decide what you're gonna do at 60 cents. Are you gonna sell some? Are you gonna take some profits? Are you gonna sell all? Are you gonna diamond hand until you go to the $1? That is totally up to you, guys. I tell you the levels that we're gonna hit, and then you have to make your own plan and your own strategy. So hopefully this helps you out. Hopefully this helps you. These videos help you take your trading to the next level, and you become more knowledgeable, and you trade like a real trader. All right. So if you have any questions, guys, go ahead and put them in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know, if you're gonna hold. Let me know if you're gonna, if you're in, you're out. What's going on with Dogecoin? What's going on with your journey in Dogecoin? Let me know in the comments. You want me to talk about something? Maybe there's something that I missed, and let me know, and I'll talk about it on the next video. But let's go ahead and see really quick what Bitcoin's doing. Okay, you can see Bitcoin, our levels of support, guys, and right here it came and hit this level because why? We had previous resistance back in April 23rd. You see this right here? Just came and hit it, bounced back. So that's what I'm talking about. You buy at this levels of support. Okay, this is this levels of support you want to get into. So what is it? So we're holding on the 50 on Bitcoin. All right, so it's keep an eye on that one too. But this video is about Doge, and Doge is holding up like a champ. All right, is Doge going to $1? It's very possible we're going to $1. Nobody ever knows. It can go to $2. It can go to $3. Nobody ever knows. It's all speculation. It's all probability. But listen, if the charts are showing us an uptrend momentum, guess what, guys? We're in, and we're not gonna get out, okay, until the charts tells us otherwise. Okay, if the charts are telling us upward momentum, bullish, we're getting all the indicators telling us that we're going up. Okay, we're staying up. So you decide how you want to trade this, guys. Are you gonna diamond hand this all the way to $1? That is totally up to you. Develop a plan, develop a strategy. I'm just here not to give you investment advice. I'm just here to show you where the levels are, and you decide what you do. What are you going to do at 60 cents? Okay. What are you going to do at 70 cents? What are you going to do if it comes back down? Are you adding more on these dips? All right. Are you selling up here and adding more down here? What are you doing? That's totally up to you. So go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know what you think, what you're going to do, what your plan is, what is your strategy. how you trade in Doge. Are you in Doge? Are you not in Doge? Where do you want to get in? Maybe you've been in Doge since, I got in back in 2018. That's when I first got in Doge. And, it was fractions of a cent. So, I got it way, way down there. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much again for tuning in. Thank you so much for taking your time and watch this video. Hopefully it's educational for you. Hopefully you're learning. If you know people are struggling with Dogecoin, maybe you refer them to, you send them an invitation to Robinhood, to Webull, and you're like, here, you can buy Doge using these apps, but they don't know when to buy in. Share this video with them and tell them, hey, there's this guy that gives you, support levels where you can buy in, So share this video with them. It's totally free. And they're going to become more educated of where to get in the areas of support and resistance. So thank you so much. Again, make sure if anybody is new to trading, you refer them here. This is the channel where they want to be, where they're going to learn on when to execute, on Dogecoin if they haven't already been in. So thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. All right, so we can get more people. I'm new to YouTube. All right, I'm not new to trading. I've been trading for a while now, but hopefully I can educate some of the people out there that are always asking questions because they got in at the top and now they're losing money. Okay, they wouldn't have done that if they would have watched this video. So I'm here to educate you. Okay, when the best chances of getting in Doge are, and when the best chances of taking some profits are. That is totally up to you. You decide where you want to do that. So thank you so much. Again, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Adios.